Earlier this month, we had a day in which brought extremely high winds, which caused damage to several North Dakota cities. And Minot City workers say they're still cleaning up tree damage 3 weeks later. Minot City Street Department, along with Minot Parks workers, say they've had to pick up close to 2,500 tree piles since a high wind event hit North Dakota earlier this month when winds reached around 70 miles an hour. Trees which were blocking roadways were quickly taken care of. City crews have been able to clear tree piles from the western parts of Minot, but workers are expected to pick up more piles in areas on the east end of town this week. Utilities Director Jason Sorensen says the effort has taken longer than expected because city crews were not ready to deal with the sheer amount of downed tree branches.
You know, our crews are out on a weekly basis picking up tree branches, you know, and they pick up, you know, anywhere from 50 to 150 on a weekly basis. So then when you end up with thousands of piles to pick up, then it just, you know, it became a bigger effort, and we just had to bring in some additional resources to help us out.
Those tree piles are expected to be picked up by the city of Minot by the end of the week.